Hey guys, we're just dropping a super quick video today showing how we transition from baby being all wrapped up from the potato sack pose into the bucket pose. I'll drop all the links from everything I'm using down below. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more content like this, and I hope you like the video. All right, so I never really know how much to put in this bucket, but I'm doing 3 bucket lifters and a couple of sleepy vibes. We're gonna start there, and if it's too much or not enough, I'll take him out and adjust, but that looks like about the right height for this. And he's a big baby, so he'll need a little less than some babies. It's a bad throw. Probably don't really need, do we need
do you want me to
whole thing? I mean,
not film this?
So I'm just gonna unwrap all of the stuff off of him except for the base wrap, the ugly wrap. Yeah, and you can probably cut it there. Okay, so he's back down to just the base wrap. And I'm just going to peel the upper part off of his shoulders and stack his hands under his chin. Just hold him there with my thumb. Just kind of rotating his back so that his spine is straight. It was kind of curved off to that side, so I just took his legs and evened them out so his knees are like even with each other. That'll make him more stable and he won't want to like tilt to one side or the other. And I also pulled his butt back so that he's looking up more, so his butt is all the way to the back of the bucket. And I'm just going to pick up his cheeks and rotate his face a little bit more towards me here. And because I'm losing his chin a little bit, I'm going to try to pull his chin out a little bit more. Part of that is just because he has such chubby cheeks, but I just want to see a little bit more chin. And then I'm going to cover up that ugly wrap. I hope you enjoyed our video today. Please leave us a comment down below if you have any questions or any requests for the next video, and we'll see you next time.